Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike with a powerful 1300W peak motor and a robust 48V 20AH, 960WH, removable battery represents a significant advancement in electric mobility, especially for those looking for a comfortable and efficient commuting solution. One standout feature is its spacious seating capacity, allowing two riders to travel together without compromising on comfort. The ergonomic design ensures that both riders can enjoy a smooth and enjoyable ride, making it an excellent choice for couples or friends who want to explore their surroundings or commute together. The bike's performance is remarkable, thanks to the powerful motor. With a peak output of 1300W, it can tackle steep hills and challenging terrains with ease, reaching speeds that make it suitable for both leisurely rides and more thrilling adventures. The acceleration is impressive, providing a quick burst of speed when needed, which is especially useful in urban environments where quick maneuvering can be essential. Battery life is another strong point. The 48V 20AH removable battery offers an extensive range, allowing users to travel longer distances without the frequent need to recharge. This feature is ideal for longer commutes or day trips, ensuring you won't be left stranded with a dead battery. The convenience of a removable battery also means you can easily charge it indoors, eliminating worries about theft. The bike's build quality is commendable, with sturdy materials that feel durable and reliable. The suspension system smooths out bumps in the road, enhancing ride comfort further. Additionally, the inclusion of safety features such as bright LED lights and responsive brakes ensures that riding at night is safe. Overall, the two-seater electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone in search of a practical and enjoyable way to travel. Its blend of power, comfort, and convenience makes it a standout option in the electric bike market, appealing to a wide range of users looking for both leisure and utility.